Okay, let's start the simulation.
Good morning, and thank you for coming in on time. I'm from HR, and I'll be guiding our discussion today. We are currently looking for the right developer for a back-end position on our team. To start, could you tell me a little about yourself, focusing on your educational background and technical experience relevant to this role?
Okay, good morning, Mr. HR. Thank you for the opportunity in this interview. My name is Ridho Dafi. I'm from Bachelor degree of Multimedia Engineering Technology, and my technical experience is I have a freelance project that to create a website and focus mainly on the backend developer. One of my freelance project is where I create a website that fully functioning to to create a service for a rental laptop or a laptop rental. And my focus on that project is I I work on the back end to create a database. Is the first step where in the database I create a table for user to admin to control everything and user to have a login method. Okay, the next is laptop table, and this is where the data of laptop stored in the database, like a picture of laptop, the specification, and name of laptop and a brand of laptop. And the next is the transaction a transaction table, where the transaction is the function is for a record in the transactioning from the user that rents a laptop. Okay, from the database, I create the connection to data from database can be viewed to user in the website page, so the user can see what laptop that available to rent it, or the laptop that rented, or the laptop that can rent it or not available.
Thank you, Rito. It's natural to start there. You've laid out a basic structure for managing rentals. Could you tell me about a specific technical challenge you encountered while building out the back end for that project? What was the problem? What did you do to fix it? And what was the final result?
Okay, so uh, my problem is where I can I can put the I can sorry I can input the picture of laptop to the database because it's large. So I create a new function or a new road to compress the picture that I input to the database before it's stored to the database. What's the result of that is now the picture can be sent to the database and stored in the database and can view and can user view in the website page.
That's a clever solution to the image size issue, Rito. Compressing those larger pictures before sending them to the database definitely improves performance. Thinking ahead, what do you see as the main area you'd like to grow in professionally in the next few years? And do you have any questions for me about the company or the role?
Okay. In a few words, I think I want to be an agentic AI developer because in my final project, right now I create an agentic AI to support nurse.
That's a very clear and exciting path, Rito. Moving into AI development connects well with your final project, building intelligent agents. Regarding salary, based on your skills and experience, what is the range you're expecting? And do you have any questions for me about the company, the team, or the role?
Okay. My expected salary is around 7 million rupiah, and I have a question is in my backend role, what I usually work to in the next.
Thank you for sharing that, Rito. We'll take that into consideration. You asked about typical back-end work. In the development process, you'd likely be responsible for things like managing databases, developing the core logic of the website or application, creating APIs for the front end to interact with, and handling security and server maintenance. It's really about making sure everything on the server side runs smoothly. Does that give you a better picture?
Yeah, I think Uh, it's enough for me. Or you have any question for me too?
Thank you, Ridho. I appreciate you taking the time to discuss your experience with me today. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps. One final question for me. Is there anything else you'd like to share about your background or skills before we finish?
Uh, uh, Beside the backend developer, I have other skills like UI UX design and then front end too. And the next is I can create a mobile app using Flutter or mobile developer. And because my final project is creating an agentic I have some some skill
Understood, Ridho.
some skill in building an AI using LLM.
Combining back-end expertise with UI UX, Flutter, mobile development, and AI using LLMs makes you a very versatile candidate. Thank you again for your time, Ridho. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity in this interview. Thank you for your time too.
You're very welcome. We'll be in touch. Have a great day.
Have a great day, sir.